Toxic substances are, honestly, a huge problem, and plastic, that's one of the biggest issues of modern life. Now, it's hard to say with 100% certainty how much all these environmental chemicals are contributing to the drop in testosterone we've seen over the past 50 years. Most likely, we'll only fully understand the impact in the next 20-25 years. But one thing is already clear. On an individual level, the effect is real, and there's plenty of research backing that up. So this is not something to take lightly. Let's start with water. Try to avoid drinking from plastic bottles. I get it, sometimes you don't have a choice. But if you do, invest in a water filter. Even a basic carbon filter is better than nothing. Ideally, go for a reverse osmosis system with remineralization. Second, reduce your exposure to plastic overall. And here's the key idea. So-called safe food-grade plastic doesn't really exist. Take BPA, bisphenol A, as an example. It's been banned in food plastics. Sounds good, right? The problem is there are tons of similar compounds, other bisphenols, that do basically the same thing. They interfere with your hormones. They just haven't all been banned yet. So what do manufacturers do? Simple. They swap one bisphenol for another that's technically still allowed. So at the end of the day, plastic is still plastic. At the very least, don't heat your food in plastic containers. Transfer it to real dishes, and ideally, reduce plastic use as much as possible. Personally, it drives me crazy how everything is wrapped in layers of plastic these days. It's completely excessive. Now, a common question. What about plastic sports bottles? The answer is simple. Plastic is plastic. It doesn't matter what the label says. Sports, eco, premium. That's just marketing. If you have a choice, go with stainless steel or glass. The bigger issue is that we don't fully understand the long-term effects of all these chemicals. And we won't anytime soon. It takes decades of research. For example, black plastic. Most people don't know this, but it's often made from recycled electronic waste, old devices and components. And then that same material ends up being used in food packaging. No one is going out of their way to make it safe. To really understand which chemicals are harmful and how they affect us, we'd need decades of data. So for now, the smartest approach isn't to analyze every single compound. It's to reduce your exposure overall. Keep it simple. The less plastic in your life, the better.